Hi, I'm Eric Barker.
And I'm Charis Barker. Together, we're the founders of Ozark Home Pros.
We started this company in 2021 with a clear mission. Do it right, treat people right, take care of every home like it's our own. After 30 years in this business, we've seen the good, the bad, and the botched.
That's why we built Ozark Home Pros, to do things differently, on purpose.
Unlike most companies, we don't sub out our work. Our own trained crews handle everything. They're accountable to us and share the same commitment to excellence.
We believe remodeling should be exciting, not stressful. You'll get clear communication, expert design help, and no surprises.
We don't take shortcuts. We don't make excuses. We just do the work the right way, the first time.
Our heart values guide every project: honesty, excellence, ambition, results, and trust. It's not just what we believe, it's how we work.
Yeah, and we're proud to have earned the trust of hundreds of homeowners across Northwest Arkansas.
So whether you're updating for safety, comfort, or just a fresh new look, we're here to make your vision real.
We're Ozark Home Pros. Real people, real craftsmanship, results you can trust.